Adorable 2-story duplex with 2 bedrooms, loft, 1.1 baths and no association dues. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout all except the kitchen. Home opens up to a spacious living room with tons of natural light. Large fully applianced eat-in kitchen boasts ceramic tile and maple cabinets. Sliding glass doors lead you to your own backyard paradise, complete with privacy fence and large deck that offers plenty of space to entertain. Upper level includes a generously sized master bedroom with walk-in closet and recessed lighting, second ample-sized bedroom and loft. Full bath upstairs and half bath on the first floor. Very clean and updated. Attached 2-car garage. Some newer updates include roof, siding and gutters. Excellent location near shopping and expressways. Move-in ready. Very well maintained by owner. Come take a look.